Now, Dave.
Okay, yeah, today's Sunday, November 15th. We're trying to put up the all-band doublet. We got George over here with a 50-foot bucket truck to make life a lot easier to put it up. And we're going to put one of the legs of the antenna back here in this tree, and hopefully the other leg of the antenna back here behind it. So now we'll take a picture of all the workers and the apex of the antenna. Gonna be Mr. Pally here. We'll do a little tree trimming in the process, free of charge. Well, we got a map.
W4NJA here, huh?
Yeah. Interview this man here.
No, just call it Dead Rather.
Tree trimming courtesy. Hi, dudes. Say.
We're split up that tree by now, isn't it?
Dan Pally.
Say something to the live eye reporter.
You don't want what I want to say on film.
Where'd Jake go? Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Hey, that thing got a speaker.
Yes, it does. You're on the air.
Oh, one of your. Oh, pardon.
Explain to us what you're doing, Fred.
George is doing this. Tell him, George.
Yeah.
This is an eyelet for this DX antenna.
There's the pliers. I mean, it's all wrong.